The mirror of imposter syndrome. Imposter syndrome is reflected in the shadows of the night, amplifying the whispers of insecurity. The leader finds themselves trapped in a distorted mirror, where doubt and self-criticism weave a tapestry of sleeplessness. In the silence of the night, the leader examines their true essence, questioning whether they are worthy of the responsibilities they bear. Each success feels fleeting, and every mistake is magnified under the lens of insecurity. The night revives moments of triumphs and failures, each memory an echo of what was and what could have been. The leader's mind becomes an archive of unmet expectations and forgotten achievements. Though this feeling of imposter syndrome may seem solitary, it is an experience shared by many. In their sleepless hours, every leader becomes John Doe, navigating the waters of doubt and self-acceptance. As the wall of achievements grows, it forms a barrier against doubt, reminding you of your true worth. With each brick, a tangible proof of your competence.